Hey lawyer friends! So what is a law firm email newsletter and why should every law firm consider sending them if they want to grow their practice? I'm Nicole Aboud, lawyer, podcaster, and owner of Aboud Media, a company focused on helping lawyers build more valuable relationships with current and future clients using online marketing tools like social media, blogging, and videos. So what is an email newsletter? As the name implies, an email newsletter is a publication that you periodically send to a designated group of recipients through email. It can be weekly, monthly, quarterly, maybe even yearly, although I always recommend at least sending one a month. If done correctly, an informative and relevant email newsletter can prove to be a powerful communication and marketing tool for your law firm. Your email newsletter recipients will consist of people, including potential clients, who actually want to hear from you. Let that sink in for a second. I mean, these people actually signed up to hear from you, a lawyer. So having some way to stay in touch with them is very important. So why should just about every law firm consider sending e-newsletters? I'll give you 3 reasons. First one, a well-crafted newsletter will allow you the opportunity to share valuable information with your clients. Many law firms make the mistake of making the newsletter all about them, what they've accomplished, or what cases they just settled. Don't do that. Instead, focus it on the client. What would benefit your subscriber to know about the practice area you're in? Break down recent updates to, say, labor laws that your clients, who tend to be employers, would want to know. Pass on an article that's helpful in some way and speaks to a particular problem that your clients are having. Highlight your firm's participation in a local nonprofit or charity race. Share your top tips for what to do if you're going through a divorce. A newsletter that's relevant to a reader's personal or business affairs will be effective. Reason number 2 why every law firm should consider sending an email newsletter is because it helps them stay top of mind. We all want to be memorable, but alas, clients are not likely to be sitting at home thinking about us lawyers all the time, right? As lawyers, we're usually only remembered when something goes wrong. But that's where a newsletter can help. It allows lawyers to take a more proactive approach to business development. By constantly showing up in people's email inboxes, they will remain top of mind. So when a legal issue does arise, guess who will be the first law firm or lawyer that pops into that reader's mind? Yep, yours. Also, it's important to keep in mind that this newsletter is not just going out to clients or potential clients, it's also reaching potential referral sources. So your friends and colleagues. If they have been kept in the loop as to what you're doing and what services your firm offers, they will be in a better position to refer you the exact type of client that you want. And reason number 3 why every law firm should consider sending a newsletter is because it allows you to nurture relationships. In my opinion, the most important reason why law firms should send email newsletters is because of the relationship that they're building with recipients through their newsletters. Many lawyers treat newsletters like a one-way communication avenue. They push it out to their readers with no opportunity for any kind of exchange or reciprocity. So instead, invite readers to respond to a question that you pose, or invite them to connect with you on other social media platforms that you're on, or tell them to visit your website. Think of your law firm's newsletter as a conversation starter. And through this conversation tool, you can begin to build trust with those who are reading your newsletter, and you can begin to build a relationship. And we all know that the most valuable asset a lawyer can have is their network. So to quickly recap the 3 reasons why every law firm should consider sending an email newsletter are 1, in order to share valuable information with clients, 2, to stay top of mind, and 3, to nurture those relationships. I hope this has been helpful. If so, I'd love for you to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so, and be sure to be a good friend and share this out with a lawyer friend of yours who you think would benefit from watching this. All right, catch you guys next time.